Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate through a Google document using headings and subheadings. As you can see, I have here a 30-page document. It is quite too long that it is tedious to get to a specific heading or subheading in real time. But with Google Docs, you can do it in real time. So let's get into it. So what you need to do first is to open your Google document, and once you have opened your Google document, head on this icon that will show the outline of your document and tap on it. From the outline you can see the headings and the subheadings that I have allocated to each of my document. For instance, my headings are in green and my subheadings are in gray. I want a document that is almost on the last or maybe 20th page. It will be so hard for me to go through all the documents looking for that specific heading or subheadings. So the best way to navigate through is to just use the heading that I used and click on it. If I need this subheading that is far away, I can just tap on it and it will take me direct to this subheading, and I'll get all the content under that subheading. If I want to go to the last article on this document, I'll simply go to the last heading, which was the first, while organizing this document, and then click on it. As you can see, it is on page 29 and it goes all down to the last page, which is page 30. So that's how you navigate through your Google document using headings and subheadings on any large document. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.